It's a few of the pictures and video I found stored in my computer from when I installed my 2-post lift. Ordered it from Greg Smith, picked it up at the freight yard, brought it home, had to make this nice tight little turn to get the trailer backed into the shop. It's a lot of fun. This video is actually of going out, which is a lot easier than trying to back the trailer in. When I built the shop, I was looking for the maximum amount of shop space I could get for the space I had, not for how easy it was to get in and out of. Also, I have a small tractor now that I can hook to the trailer. Makes maneuvering it around a lot easier than it is with the Tahoe. Once you get everything backed into the shop, then you gotta unwrap it, unload it. We use the engine hoist to get it off the trailer, set it one post down on either side. All right, let's stand this thing up. I think that far went up away from the wall to get walk between. There's a hot spot right here. Oh, yeah. Or that thing's curved. Beauty.
What do you do about that?
Well, they got shims that go underneath the edges of it.
Oh, okay.
The outside to the inside. It's 112 and a half, and it's right now at 113. Might be. Didn't move a bunch.
Yeah.
Yeah, moved out of the quarter inch too far. Thompson against that, it's going to work or not. After some measuring and tapping with a large hammer and some more measuring, we finally got it squared up. The part that I didn't get on video was putting the top brace across with 2 ladders. That was a lot of fun. One of the ladders I had could have been a little bit taller than what it was. Would have made the job a little easier. But we got it done. Nobody got hurt. Now for the easy part, I was able to borrow a hammer drill so I didn't have to go out and rent one. But once you get it all set up, just drilling the holes into the concrete, setting the bolts in, and then torquing them down to proper spec. I did not intend to do a video on this really, I just videoed some of the work I did. So now that I'm actually putting a video together, I don't have any video of the assembly of all the different components. But I can say it was pretty easy, just followed the instructions, everything went together. All the parts were there, no missing parts, no missing hardware. It was really a straightforward, easy project except for the size of it and the weight. You do need some help. Well, as you can see, the lift is installed, it's all wired, ready to roll. So I am going to put a car on it, raise it up off the ground. This is pretty exciting. I've wanted this all my life. This is awesome. You can kind of tell how important the lift is to me. You notice there's no lights in the shop, there's no workbench in the shop. The only thing in the shop at this point is the power panel and the wires to the lift. All right, well that's good. With the load on it, both the latches hit at the same time. Cables still seem good. Yeah, it goes down a little slow. No wonder before I loaded it, it took forever to lower. Gonna have to do a little adjustment on that. Well, that's my 9,000 pound Atlas lift. I purchased it from Greg Smith Equipment. I'm very happy with it. I haven't had any problems with it at all. Installation was easy. I like it so much I'm planning on purchasing a 4-post lift from them within the next month. So, like, subscribe. Thanks for watching. And hopefully I'll have a 4-post lift video coming out within another month or so.